Hey everyone, how are we doing? And welcome back to CES 2020. We're here at the NVIDIA booth looking at some cool new monitors. And they've only gone and thrown 360 Hertz into the mix. That's right, 360. We had 60, we had 120, 144, 240, and now 360. Yes, that's right, I can count. And this probably won't come up very well on camera because this is only a 30 Hertz video, but basically 240 versus 360 on an image like this, where we're panning in Dota 2, you can actually see a fair difference. Well, I say that. The tech chap, Mr. Tom Honeyans, is actually here as well.
How's it going, Marcus?
And you said you couldn't notice as much of a difference.
Yes, just, but it's not really for us. We talk about tech and gaming, but we're not professional gamers, which
No.
I think this is what's aimed at. So maybe, but it's not up to me.
No, that's fair. And you'll have other trade-offs and things. At the moment, we're looking at TN panels because obviously we need the fastest refresh rate and fastest response time possible, and you're just going to have a TN at the moment for this sort of tech. 24 inches in size, so it's not huge, it's not got HDR. But if you just want the most competitive gaming display possible, then it looks like this is what you're going to be wanting, basically, as long as you've got the PC with the horsepower to actually back it all up. This is still a prototype, but we will get an announcement, I imagine, later in the year that will give us all the information and model names and pricing, things like that. We do also have a huge television here from LG because they're actually now continuing their partnership with LG, so we're getting G-Sync compatible TVs across the OLED range, so if you want not only the best image quality from an OLED panel, but also fast refresh rate and G-Sync support, then you can grab yourself a LG OLED TV and just have some of the best gaming experiences imaginable. But there is also one other display that is very similar to the one we've actually already seen from Acer, and this is a HDR 1400 monitor, 4K, 32 inches, pretty much the dream specification. We're going to have a very big price tag to match. The Acer one was over 3,000 euros and dollars, so don't expect this to come cheap. But if you're wanting high refresh rates, if you're wanting an incredible amount of dimming zones that actually give you just great detail in terms of the actual brightness, it's not like where you have even a fair few dimming zones, but you still get the haloing effect. Everything is a lot more precise, so you're not only getting a super amount of brightness, but you're getting it in the areas where you're actually meant to have that brightness. It's super impressive, and I think that if you're like me and you want a screen that pretty much does everything and isn't just for gaming or isn't just for work and copes with everything, then this is probably the sort of thing you're going to be looking at, as long as you can stomach the cost. Let me know your thoughts on all of these monitors down on the comment section below. Which one stands out to you the most? 360 Hertz, maybe just super bright, better HDR monitors, or would you rather spend that money and get yourself a TV that you can of course use in your living room? For everything, we're really interested to hear from you. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more CES coverage. Thanks to MSI for actually bringing us out here and sponsoring our trip. I'll see you in the next one.